Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the interesting topic in chemistry, that is balancing a chemical equation. It is very important topic in examination point of view for SSLC students. Okay, let's start with an example. The first equation we considered here is Fe plus H2O gives rise to Fe3O4 plus H2. So this equation is unbalanced. So in order to balance the equation, first what we have to do means, first we have to write down the elements name, their the number of atoms in the reactants, that is left hand side, and the number of atoms in the products, that is right hand side. So first we shall know the iron element present in the reactants, that is in the right hand side. So see here student, in the right hand side only one iron atom is present. That's why I'm writing here 1. So in the right hand side, that is the number of atoms in the product side. So in the iron atom present in the product side is 3. So I'm writing here 3 atoms, 3 iron atoms present in the product side. Okay, next we should know about the hydrogen atoms present in the left hand side. So how many hydrogen atoms present? Here 2 hydrogen atoms present. That's why I'm writing here 2 hydrogen atoms. Okay, in the right hand side, that is on the product side, also 2 hydrogen atoms are present. Okay, then coming across the oxygen atom, in the left hand side only one oxygen atom is present. In the right hand side 4 oxygen atom is present. Okay, the next step in balancing the equation is, first we have to balance all the atoms, that is the iron, hydrogen and oxygen atom. First here we are going to balance the oxygen atom. Okay, we have to prepare the 3 columns. Atoms of oxygen in reactants, in products. Initial, then after balancing the equation, how many reactants and products are present. Okay. So first initially, so in the reactant side, that is in the left hand side, so how many oxygen atoms are present we have to consider. Okay. So first initially we should know how many oxygen atoms present in the reactant side. So initially in the reactant side we could see one oxygen atom in the reactant side. So I am writing here one oxygen atom. Okay, in bracket it is from H2O. Okay, likewise in the product side, how many oxygen atoms present? 4 oxygen atom present. That's why I'm writing here 4 oxygen atom in Fe3O4. Fe3O4. Okay. Then what we have to do means we have to balance the equation. We have to balance the oxygen atoms. So initially in the reactants, one oxygen atom is present. In the product side, 4 oxygen atom is present. So in the product side, the number of oxygen atom is more. So in the reactant side, it is less. Means here 4 is there, here 1 is there. So we have to balance. So how we balance means we have to multiply the oxygen atom with 4. 1 into 4. So here 4 into 1, like this. Now the partly balanced equation becomes, so Fe plus, here in the reactant side, so how many water molecules are present here? 1 4 is 4. Here I am writing 4. Then in the product side, the Fe3O4. So how many Fe3O4 atoms are present? 4. Here the equation is partly balanced. Okay, then next we have to balance the hydrogen atoms. Okay, for that we have to write down the initial number of hydrogen atoms in the reactants and the initial number of hydrogen atoms in the products. So initially in the reactants, how many hydrogen atoms are present? Initially here, not here. So initially 8 hydrogen atoms are present. 4 to the 8. So I am writing here 8 in 4H2O. Okay. So in the product side, so how many hydrogen atoms are present here? 2 in H2. Okay. Now we have to balance the hydrogen atoms. Okay. So here 8 hydrogen atoms present, here 2 hydrogen atoms present. So in the reactant side, I am writing the 8 hydrogen atom as it is. In the product side, I am balancing here 2 into 4. So both in the reactants and products, the hydrogen atoms are balanced. So after balancing, the equation becomes like this. Fe plus 4H2O plus Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Okay. Now here the hydrogen atoms has been completely balanced. Now we move on to the iron atom. Now we have to balance the iron atoms. For that we have to write down the iron atoms present in the reactants initially and in the and the number of iron atoms in the products. Okay, so initially in the reactant side, how many iron atoms are there? Only one iron atom. So I am writing here 1 in Fe. So in the product side, 3 iron atoms are present in Fe3O4. Okay. So now we have to balance the iron atoms. So in the reactant side, only one iron atom is there, but in the product side, 4 iron atom is there. So we have to balance in the reactant side. How we balance means 1 into 3, 3. Here we keep 3 as it is. Now the final equation after equalizing the 3 atoms becomes Fe plus 4H2O FeO4 plus 4H2. Sorry, 3Fe plus 4H2O gives rise to Fe3O4 plus 4H2. In this way, we have to balance the equations. At last, we have to count the number of elements in the reactant side as well as in the product side. So it will be equalized, or in order to check whether the equation is balanced or not. So in the reactant side, 3 iron atom is there. In the product side also 3 iron atom is there. Okay. Then in the reactant side 8 hydrogen atom is there. In the product side also 8 hydrogen atom is there. In the reactant side 4 oxygen atom is there. In the product side 4 oxygen atom is there. Hence the equation is balanced. Thank you.